Welcome back to Mr. Cee's Cooking Experiment, Center of the Plate. Today we're going to show you how to cook a nice crispy piece of salmon that's nice and moist on the inside. Give you a couple good tips, tricks of the trade to help you cook a very beautiful moist piece of salmon for you, your family, and your guests. Alright, here's a few things to know about when you're going to cook salmon, the kind of salmon to pick out when you're actually at the store. So the nice orange reddish tint is what you're really looking for, it being firm as well. And here's a couple other things you need to look at. This is the belly part of the salmon, and this is where the dorsal fin is here. Alright, you'll see there may be bones right here. You're going to want to run your finger around there. If you feel those bones, you get some tweezers, you pull them out. This is a nice looking piece of fish. We're just going to go and season this simply with salt and cracked black pepper, and then show you how we're going to do it in the pan. You're going to want to get some olive oil in a pan, very hot. You're going to want to do this on the skin side, on the flesh side first. And there's a reason for that, because what's going to happen is you can get a nice brown crisp on there before you put the skin side. The skin side will contract, and then you would not be able to get that nice even color on the other side. So, flesh side down first, and then the skin side. We're going to sear this on high heat for about 2-3 minutes, more likely towards the 2-minute mark. Then we're going to flip it over, and we're going to turn the heat down to medium to low to medium, and then continue to rotate this fish until it's actually 140 degrees of an internal temperature, and we'll show you how we're going to do that. So we're going to flip this over. You can see it start to contract, right? But you have that nice golden brown there. It's going to stay there. It's going to be very, very nice in the end. We're going to keep rotating this fish back and forth every 2 minutes for about 10-12 minutes. And then we're going to check the internal temperature. Alright, so our salmon is finished. Nice and golden brown, crispy on the outside. We're going to check the internal temperature here real quick. Make sure we're at least at 140. We are actually perfect. And we will serve this on a salad or with a nice lemon sauce. It's a great thing to have in your diet. It's got great omega-3 and other nutrients that are really good for your health. I hope you enjoyed this video. Crispy salmon with a nice moist center. Very easy to do. The points to take away from this video is to sear the salmon very well on the flesh side down for a couple minutes, then on the skin side, and then rotate after you've turned the heat down. About 12 minutes, every couple minutes, you turn it to each side. You'll have a perfect crispy salmon on the outside, moist on the inside. If you like my video, please subscribe. Until next time, if you eat well, you're going to be well. Thanks for watching.